Good morning everyone, my name is Zikri. I'm the guide that will accompany you during your stay in Okinawa. I would like to welcome all to Okinawa. We will arrive at the Hotel Mon Beach on Onna Village about 25 minutes. Therefore, I would like to ask you all to check if you have all your baggage with you. Please do not leave anything unattended on the bus because we cannot take responsibility for it. Now, I'd like to take some time to inform you about brief safety precautions. Firstly, during the next 7 days, the temperature will be above 30 degrees Celsius. So, you should make sure that you drink enough water, and we recommend you to use sunscreen to avoid sunburn. Secondly, you should always take care of your belongings while working in the city. Now, I would like to remark about the beautiful summer place in Japan. That is Okinawa. Okinawa to a mainland Japanese, and you will likely receive a wistful sight in return. Perspectively, warm weather, pierces bursting with fish, fantastic food, gentle people, unspoiled beaches, and jungle, and many more. Getting here may be a little costly, but Okinawa's lush vegetation, vision of paradise beaches, and superb coral reefs can charm the most jaded traveler. If you've had your fill of shrines and temples and want to check out some of Japan's best beaches and deep sites, or simply fancy a spot of winter sun, then Okinawa is the great place to visit. Please don't throw litter on the street. It should be separated into cans, bottles, burnable and non-burnable garbage. Smoking is prohibited in many places. Please smoke in designated smoking areas. Azni Tours offers assortment of superior discounts depending on your travel package. We have diving package, Jurami Aquarium, and various islands around Okinawa. There will be a brief information at tomorrow morning in the lobby of the hotel, and there is a poster about this information on hotel information board where you can learn all about these offers. We suggest that you don't purchase package from street vendors as they are not always 100% reliable. You will probably pay more if you deal with them. Please take my advice and allow Azni Tours to organize all of your day trips and activity while you are here. When eating a buffet style, avoid leaving food uneaten. You may be charged extra if you leave food uneaten. Also, do not take drinks and edibles away with you. If you want healthy and halal food, I recommend Donburi Nantoya restaurant located at Naha International Airport Connection Terminal 4F 150 Kagamizu, Naha Sea. Here, serves fresh tuna cooked in Naha Sea and most beef. There is no need to pay tips when shopping at bars and restaurants, in hotels or taxis. Just saying arigato is enough. Don't trust local money exchangers and try to be away from troubles. For money, Japan currency could be a better option than dollar. If you want to get around the city or travel to Okinawa Honto, we recommend that you take the local bus or local train called Densa, because there is a lot of public transportation available at here. We will be at the hotel in about 10 minutes. Please sit and enjoy the sea and the beach view on the right side of the bus after passing through the tunnel. I ask that you remain in your seats until you actually stop. Yamada will help carry your luggage. Please double check that there are no items left on the bus. On behalf of S.Pd Tours, happy holidays in Okinawa, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow morning at the briefing session.